What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be doing something pretty awesome. We're going to be working on the real beast of the channel right here.
Today we are going to reshim the cams, the 262 cams on this car. It's just making a little bit of sound that I do not like. It is the cams. I looked it up. The cams are supposed to have a clearance between 6 to 10,000 in that intake. And unfortunately I did not do the job. Somebody else did, and it has a clearance of 3. And then we have a problem. Then we're going to be taking it apart to adjust the cam clearance issues.
So now I'm going to get the camera and I'll run you guys through everything that we're going to be doing in order to get these cams out of the car.
Alright guys, today we are going to be removing the radiator, the shroud, the valve covers. I already did that, unfortunately. There it is. And we are going to be working on this cam. We measured the clearance in here and up areas that we could see the trims, and it's too tight. We are going to be adjusting that today. Not today, it's going to take me a while. And then
Probably going to be like a 2-day job, right?
yeah,
Something like
it's
that.
going to be a 2-day job. I'll take it today apart, shim it tomorrow, and maybe another day I'll put it back together. We got the tensioner with the shock absorber. This only came in a 98 turbo motor 2JC. Really hard to come by. You could order it. But yeah, they only come. This is the only ones that come on that car. Man, look at that motor. Look how clean it looks.
I need to get mine this fresh after a while.
You could eat out of this motor. Yeah.
What's that?
6.
Okay, so for the foreign, let's see what we got.
Yeah, 10.
One eternity later.
Welcome back to the Project SC, trying to take it apart. Right now, as you can see, we have further up into it. We did took the intakes, the injectors, and the turbo, and we're in the process. So we also took out one cam to reshim it. We are gonna take the whole thing apart. There is nothing wrong with it. It's just a matter of being around for a while. We're gonna have to refresh it, and we'll see what we find. Hopefully it's nothing wrong with it, and we'll get back to you guys. But this is a project of seeing what is inside of a car making about 870 to almost 1,000 horsepower. What does the engine look like inside? And then we have a couple of leaks, and we're gonna refix those, and we'll put it back together. It should take us a few more months. And then this is how far we are. We did take the intercooler, we're taking everything apart. This week we'll be taking out the engine completely out and the transmission.
That's pretty dumb pipe.
Oh, it's pretty nice and chrome. Yep. Nice stainless steel. Comes with pretty money.
it. So part one of the teardown is complete.
And now, up to right now, we have taken out the exhaust system, fuel system. As you can see, we're gonna be taking out the wire harness, and next to be done the transmission. And
Which is what the exhaust had to be taken down for, right? That's
yes,
pretty much all that was in
so
the way.
exhaust to work easier. And then now we're gonna be taking out the rest of the stuff to get done. It might be another couple of days, and then slow process, not in a hurry. Just make sure you do yourself.
And do it right.
And do it right. Exactly. And then it's all about having fun and enjoying the cars. Thank you for watching, and we'll be seeing more of this soon.
Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on all our videos, and stay tuned for more on our builds.
Get more shirts.
Everybody get smoked, dummy. Everybody get smoked, dummy. Yeah, look, I'm aiming straight for the jugular. Fuck it up, everybody finna talk what they want. Know that they stating the formula for me, but I talk a lot when I gotta be blunt. Ain't talking fast when I send it text out. Check the connection and lead the rest out. Speaking into this shit, got the best out. So I'm a medulla.